This is video on statics of coplanar non-concurrent forces. This is the fifth video wherein we are looking at equilibrium applications, that is applications of equilibrium equations for what is called combined beam. Okay, now here is a beam which I call combined beam. I'll tell you the reason for this. The reason for this is like this. If I remove the supports at supports are at A, B, and C. A is fixed support, B is roller support, C is another roller support. So by appropriate reactions, I see that the total number of reactions are 5: HA, VA, MA, VB, and VC. And you realize that there are a number of equations available for statics equilibrium of non-concurrent forces, only 3. So this gives me indication that this beam is not simple, it's a combined beam. And now if you look at it closely, what you find that there is a cantilevered beam from A to E, then there is another beam from E to B. E and D are internal hinges, and then there is third beam from D to C. And only way we can solve these reactions if we are able to separate out this beam from this one single combined beam. See how I do it. This beam I separated out like this. How did I do it? At hinge I put two reactions, HDVD, and here is a complete beam on the right side. Now same HDVD being internal hinge, I am putting on this beam from E to D. Here also I am putting because it's internal hinge, I am putting HEVA and VB. So this E to D is second beam, and third beam is this cantilevered HAVAMA, and then this VA and HE are applied to this. Now if we start solving from right end where there are three unknowns, HD, VD, VC, then we can work out HD, VD, VC by equilibrium equations. These HD, VD in opposite direction can be used on these beams. These two being known, we will now know HE, VE and VB by applying equilibrium equations for this central beam. And then knowing this HE, VE, we put them here, and we apply equilibrium equations to this last beam. We'll be able to work out HAVA, MA. And this way, so the principle is combined beam you separate out into component beams and individually solve it. That's the way you should do it. So let's do it. Let's do it for the first beam out here. Okay, SD, VD and VC. Now I apply sigma fx0, sigma fy0. Sigma fx0 tells me HD is 0. Sigma fy0 tells me VD plus VC minus 10 is 0. And sigma MD equal to 0 tells me that VC into 4 minus 10 into 2 is 0. I can work out from this VC as phi, and therefore VD comes out phi. Okay, so far so good. Let's keep this data aside and let's look at the central beam. Now see, this VD and HD will take them as known loads. So HD is 0 and VD is phi. You apply it here, and to this whole thing you apply sigma fx0. I get HE minus this phi is 0, and therefore HE is 5. Sigma fy equal to 0. V plus VB minus 8.66 minus 4 minus VD is 0. So I get V plus VB as 17.66, and I take moment about E. I get VB into 4. See this VB into this 4 minus VD into 8 minus 8.66 into 2 minus 4 into 6. This 4 and this half of 4 to 6. So I get my VB. From here I put it here in the second equation. See this here I get VE, and V is negative just tells me that the sign which I had assumed, V as up as wrong, it is down in fact. And then now I keep this data aside and apply it to the last beam. Sigma fx0 tells me HA minus HE is 0, telling me HA is 5 because HA is 5. Sigma Fy is VA minus 10 and V minus V, but V I'm going to put this value of minus, so I'll get VA 7.33, and taking moment about A, what I get is V into 2 minus V into 2. See, I'll take, since I'd assume once this direction, I'll continue writing equation using this direction, but when I substitute the value, I'm going to put it as negative. So V into 2 negative, 10 into 1, 10 into 1, so I just written this 10, and then plus MA. I have taken this MA moment as anti-clockwise, I assumed it as anti-clockwise, so I have taken it positive. From here, after substituting VE, I get my MA. And in this manner, see, we have solved for all the reactions, VC, VD, VB, VE, MA and SD. So you see, what was not possible initially became possible because combined beam, we broke it up into the component beams. Thank you.